Hi, welcome to Reypurposed Made, where I, Reinaldo, show you the ins and outs of some of my furniture projects. I try to always incorporate art into the furniture making process so that each finished piece is custom and one of a kind. Check out how I do it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. Is your stove naked? You need to cover that up. See, I create stovetop covers, which are exactly what it sounds like, a cover to your stove. Not to be used when the stove is hot or in use, but something to be more decorative so add more color to the kitchen space. And when the covers aren't on the stove, they can be used as trays. And that's exactly what I did for Jennifer. All the other projects I made for Jennifer were more avant-garde or more darker in tone or substance or edgier, for example. But this one is so much more ethereal. It's light and airy and like feminine and springtime. And that was completely intentional. Jennifer wanted to go with more like graceful summertime colors because she knew that the nightstand I made for her in the bedroom had more darker tones, and she wanted something for the living room / kitchen area to be more ethereal. That was her actual word. So my ideas were to go with lighter colors, and I start with the white base because I know once you start with white, any color on top of it was gonna look more dynamic and look more full, even though it's like light, girly colors. I went with gold for the wood bars on the side and the handles because I felt like any other color than that color would be too dominant. If I had the pink wood bars, it'd be a pink tray, or if I did the green spray paint on the wood sides, it would be a green tray. But gold with the white helps to keep it neutral, and the other colors just are like pops of color. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Stick around, there is a little bit more, but I want to take this time to ask you to like, share, subscribe, follow my videos. You can click on the little bell at the bottom so you'll know when I drop a new video every Wednesday. And if you want to see more of my work, keep in touch, or have your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you. Now keep watching. It is really cool to see Jen with all the pieces I made for her. It's like she has a mini Reypurposed collection, especially with the giant desk I made for her last year. Now, of course, all the pieces wouldn't be tightly packed together like it is here. It'll be scattered all around the house, but it's just really cool to see her enjoy everything I made for her and to see it all together with her at one time. About to see your pieces for the very first time. I'm super excited for you. We're almost there. We're almost there. Here you go.
Oh, oh, that's so cute. Oh, this looks like the perfect size.
Yep.
They look really big on the pictures. I love this. Oh, these are perfect.
Yes.
Okay, they can definitely fit in the car. Yay.
They're gonna be. I wanted to see you in front of your stuff too.
Yes.
So that's great. All right.
Okay.